Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video going to be very interesting one because in today's video I'm gonna share some teenage skincare hacks and skincare routine, and the most interesting part of this video is I will share with you a bonus tip in this video. So don't miss the video. Watch from the beginning to the end. So let's get started. So teenagers don't need lots of product, they need actually very minimal amount of product. Just they should do the CTM routine properly, that means the cleansing, toning and moisturizing. And this is the crucial time to do the skincare properly, because if teenager use random products, that actually cause breakouts eventually. So yeah, we should take care about these things, that we should not use any random products or any products that are so much harsh to our skin. So now I will start with cleansing, that means cleanser. Now since a teenager have a very baby like skin, so they don't need any harsh cleanser, they need rather mild cleanser. They can go for any gel based cleanser or foam based cleanser, but remember one thing, you have to clean your face twice in a day, not more than that. So now let's begin the day skincare or the morning skincare. So in the morning, just wash your face with some neem face wash. You can use Himalaya neem face wash or the biotic one, or the any kind of tea tree face wash or neem based face wash that actually very much effective on your face or skin and gentle also. Now it's time for toner. So don't use any random toner or any kind of harsh toner. Always choose the mild and gentle ones. You can choose some neem toners, or if you have normal skin you can go for rose toners, or you can go for some tea tree toners. Now here I want to say that if you want to use astringent, if you have excessive oily or acne prone skin, so since astringent is full of alcohol, so I will suggest you to use it in a wet cotton to avoid the irritation. But I will suggest, if you are 15 years old or 16 years old, avoid using toner. You can just go for rose water. Now the next step is moisturizing. Now moisturizing is very much important for our skin, no matter whether we have a oily skin or sensitive skin, combination skin, dry skin. We need moisturizer to balance the moisturization or the pH level on our skin. So definitely go for a oil free moisturizer if you have oily skin, or you can go for some oil based moisturizer. There are numerous moisturizers that are actually ideal for teenagers, like Nivea one, the Pond's one, or the Lakme Peach Milk one. They are very much gentle to our skin. Now since it's the daytime, we are following the daytime skincare, so we must have to use sunblock or the sunscreen. I will always suggest you to use SPF 50. Don't use less than that, because the higher SPF actually gives you the higher protection. At least you can go for 2 to 3 hours easily if you use more than SPF 50 or SPF 50. Now it's complete in the daytime. You don't need to apply any foundation or any compact or anything else, because if you do use this thing regularly, you can have the chance for having breakouts or pimples in your face. Now move on to the nighttime skincare routine or the evening skincare routine. So in the evening we can go for some foaming face wash. You can go for Himalaya face wash or some any foam based face wash that actually cleans so well the all oils and dirts that actually accumulates throughout the day. Next step is again toner. Choose according to your skin which toner suits your skin. Then coming to the next step, which is moisturization. You don't need any serum or night cream because you are a teenager. Moisturizer is enough for you. So always choose some mild moisturizers which is very much suitable for your skin. Now it's complete. Now coming to the bonus point. The bonus is that since we are teenager, we all need some pamper. So pampering is very much important for ourselves. Actually, for that we need some face pack or exfoliation. So exfoliation is the key for having clear face. So always use once in a week some exfoliator. You can go for some natural home remedies like rice flour or some maida or atta, but I will suggest you, if you have a sensitive skin, you can use some neem scrub. You can go for some scrub that contains some neem properties like Himalaya neem scrub or lotus apricot scrub, which is for all skin types. These are very much good and gentle also. Now coming to the next point, which is a face pack. Now there is no any better option than clay mask. Clay mask is like blessings for teenagers. Always go for some clay mask. You can use some mask that are maybe containing bentonite clay, kaolin clay, or you can use simply sandal powder, multani mitti or fuller's earth in some rose water that are very much effective for our skin. Even that also helps to minimizes the pores. So all this was teenager skincare routine. Hope you like and enjoy the video. See you in the next topic. Till then, take care and bye bye.